Hi, and welcome to this video all about subtracting fractions with different denominators. Now, if you weren't confident subtracting fractions using the same denominator, or you didn't quite get the last video, then go back and have a rewatch of that and have a practice of subtracting fractions with the same denominator. We are going to have a look at how we subtract fractions that have got a different denominator. And by a different denominator, I mean they've got a different number on the bottom of the fraction. So I might take one like 6/7, and I'm going to subtract from that 1/3. Now I need to make these fractions have the same number on the bottom. And the way I can do that is I need to find a number that is in the same times table as 7 and 3. Well, if in doubt, I could just times them together. And 7 times 3 gets me 21. Now, if you've had a watch of our adding video, you'll notice this looks very similar to how we add fractions. And that's because subtracting or taking away fractions is exactly the same process as adding. We just do a take away at the end. So I've times the 7 by 3 to get to 21. So I have to times the 6 by 3 as well. And 6 times 3 gives me 18. I've times the 3 by 7 to get 21, so I times the 1 by 7, giving me 7. And then I just do 18 subtract 7, which gives me 11, 11/21. And that's our answer, as strange as it looks. Let's have a go at another one together. So this time, I'm going to do 7/10 take away 2/9. Why don't you pause the video now and have a go at that one yourself? See if you can have a go. I need a number that's going to be in the 9 and the 10 times table. Well, I can't think of an easy one, so I'm just going to times them together. I'm going to pick 90. I've times the 10 by 9 to get 90, so I times the 7 by 9 to get me 63. This is where our times tables come in super handy. I've times the 9 by 10 to get to 90, so I'm going to times the 2 by 10 to give me 20. I then do my 63, take away 20 to give me 43/90. Again, another strange looking answer. Did you follow that? Did you get it right if you paused the video? Well done if you did. We are going to have a go at one more. So in this one, let's have a go at 7/8. Take away, let's take away 1/4. Now this one is a little bit sneakier, because I need a number that's in both the 4 and the 8 times table. Well, my 8 is in both the 4 and the 8 times table. So I can, if you did times them together to get 32, that would also work. So don't panic if you've done that or if you thought to do that. But I could also pick 8. That's the thing. There's lots of different numbers I could have picked, as long as it's in both the 4 and the 8 times table, which means the 7 hasn't been times by anything. 4 times 2 would have given me the 8. So I'm going to do 1 times 2 to give me 2. I'm then going to do 7/8, take away 2/8 to get me 5/8. Excellent stuff. And there we have it. That is how we subtract fractions with different denominators. There is a worksheet for you to have a go at. Please go and have a practice. Maths is all about practice. Practice, practice, practice. Have a practice of some of those subtracting fractions, but very well done if you managed to follow that. This is not easy stuff. So very, very well done if you are a master at subtracting fractions. In the next session, we are going to have a look at how we multiply and divide fractions. Oh my goodness. I look forward to seeing you in that video. Thank you guys very much for watching, and I'll see you next time.